Hello everyone! Today I will share the hydroponic high-pressure propagation of longannon. The end, you will gain a lot. Please see the operation below. First, go to the orchard to choose a healthy and disease-free branch. Cut off the tail cutting ring peeling. Wrap the peeled part of the branch with an onion. Then fill the water bag with water and tie it tightly. Another protective bag, leave the rest to time. "50 days later. Has grown new shoots and leaves and large white roots. See here, believe in your youth. Light up the little red heart to support might can be planted in pots. Putting bananas in the soil can be turned into nutrient fertilizer supply. It is recommended to use organic nutrient soil because the soil is loose and breathable, good for long-term water retention. Transplanting soil is important. Advantages of fruit tree grafting or cuttings. It is an excellent trait that can maintain ear formation and breed dwarf plants early flowering. Pay attention to my previous sharing. I also learned various planting tips that are updated every day. Today I share the idea of grafting longan trees with bananas grow and dwarf plants how to plant in pots. In the end, you will gain a lot. Please see operation. First, choose a healthy and disease-free fruit tree branch. Bottom ring peeling area where the callus is formed is also relatively enlarged. Simultaneously, the rooting area increases. Improve survival. Apply aloe vera to the peeled area. Promotes rapid wound healing. Insert into banana. Bananas can be made into a natural liquid organic fertilizer. Put in a cup and fill it with soil. Water thoroughly. Put it in a ventilated place with astigmatism and cover it for protection. One and a half months, new branches and leaves and roots have grown. See here, believe that you, who are in full bloom, have already lit up the little red heart. Support me. It can be transplanted into pots. In order to ensure the survival rate of later transplanting, it is recommended to use genetically raised soil because the soil is loose and breathable. Good for long-term water retention. Transplanting soil is important. Pay attention to my previous sharing. I also learned various planting tips that are updated every day. Advantages of fruit tree grafting or cuttings. It is an excellent trait that can maintain your formation early fruiting of dwarf plants. I will share the new technology of strengthening the air layer hormone. How to propagate and plant longan trees simple and quickly at home. First, choose a delicious variety of longan tree. Choose a healthy and disease-free branch, cut off the and remove excess leaves. Cut the branch in half about 10 centimeters apart. Be careful not to cut. Inserting branches into aloe vera. Utilizes aloe vera natural hormones to promote can activate plants to promote rapid root growth, improving the survival rate of grafting and transplanting lead cuttings after 50 days. The root system has grown. Cut it off and plant it in a pot. In order to ensure the survival rate of later transplanting, it is recommended to use genetically raised soil because the soil is loose and breathable, good for long-term water retention. Transplanting soil is important. Soil in my previous videos. Sharing is a virtue, like is a kind of emotion just like you, or low-key and connotative. Follow me and never miss previous sharing. And learn to update planting tips every day. Leave a message in the comment area if you had any questions.
Here, I share cuttings of longan trees with onions and rooting leaves, and promote root growth. Survival rate of lead cuttings. Please see the operation below. First, cut a good variety of longan branches. Come back and trim off the excess leaves. Head sloping shoulders. Cut off an onion. Insert the twig into the onion. This will allow the cuttings to be planted in the soil. In order to ensure the survival rate of the later generation, I use organic nutrient soil because the soil is loose and breathable. It is made by adding warm cow dung biological organic base fertilizer. Cutting soil is very important. Get a watering can for 9 yuans and 9 free shipping. Add strong rooting liquid has been mixed with water. For rooting solution, please click the little yellow car below. Spray the soil or drench it. This step is the key to rooting, because rooting liquid contains vitamin amino acid active enzyme, can activate plants to promote rapid root growth, improving the survival rate of transplanting lead cuttings. Cover up for protection. 40 days later, new shoots and roots have grown. Please go to the product window on the homepage to purchase the same product as the video. It can be transplanted into pots. Water once a week with a small amount of rooting liquid. Better effect. Pay attention to my previous sharing. Learn planting tips that are updated every day. Leave a message in the comment area with questions. See you next time.